So if we're coming off the A52 towards the test centre, we come off the ring road, which is the A5111, and it's a bit of a corkscrew road. It comes all the way back on itself and goes on to the top of Rangeway. As we come off here, we're going to have to signal left again to go on to the 5111, following the black here at the moment. Now you do get some speed signs that say maximum speed 25 or something ridiculous. There it is, maximum speed, but they're only advisory. And then as we go round this corner, we head up towards where we get a road joining us from our right. So we have to basically check and move over as it comes. We're into a 50. It says dual carriageway on the other side of the road. So where we go, we're going onto the road. We've got to make sure that it's clear. And then really annoyingly, once we get onto this bit, we then have a road joining us from the left. So what we've got to do ideally is to get back over into the left-hand lane. And it's always a really good idea to let people know what you're doing. As we come down this road, it is a 50 and there are speed cameras. You'll know you're in the right place because we're passing Rolls Royce on the right and an industrial estate on the left. So we're going to follow this road now, and then we'll eventually start picking up signs. They're not quite the same as signs, but never mind. We'll be picking up road signs for the test centre or test station. Now it's an MOT test station as well as the driving test centre, so it actually makes it quite easy to follow. There's an interesting way in, and it can be a little bit confusing when you first do it. Once you understand it, it's no problem. So we've got a sign for Alveston Recycling Centre, Derby Commercial Park, and here you go, Goods Vehicle Testing Station. That's where we're going. So we'll be taking the next left. So we've got the countdown markers, and we've got the 200 as good time to indicate, and then we'll be coming off to the left. Once we come off to the left, the road's going to bend round again. It's going to go right back over itself, and it's quite awkward. So here we go, staying in the left-hand lane for the ring road, and we're going to get to a roundabout. We've got the McDonald's and the Blue Jay pub, so we're going to stay in the left-hand lane and actually go straight on second exit. There are quite a few lanes, so you must make sure that you stay in the correct lane. So here's the roundabout. Behind the scooter, stay in the ring road, make sure you stay in your lane. There's a driver training car in front of us, so we can follow him for a little bit. As we come round this corner, we're going to get a set of traffic lights. Just after the traffic lights, we want to move one lane over to the right. And then when we get down to the next set of traffic lights roundabout, we're going to be, and they will say we're turning right into the test centre. You want middle lane, but with a right indicator on. You can actually see it on the floor. Test STA, test station, ring road test station. You can see the car indicating in front of us. These traffic lights are quite difficult to see. You're better off actually looking on the other side of the junction, past Lidl, and that's where we'll be going. So we'll be going straight on. Excuse my voice breaking there. We'll be going straight on towards Goods Vehicle Testing Station. I'm not quite sure if the guy in front is actually on test, because there seems to be an high-vis vest in the mirror. So that's it, we're going to be following the learner car in front. We're going to this industrial estate, and it's a little bit awkward, and we'll be turning left in a moment, a little bit further on, and it's quite easy to recognise it because it's like a bell on the floor, and you think I'm joking, but there's actually, it looks like a bell on the floor. second left, not this first one, not West Side Business Park. It's going to be the next one. Following the learner car, and you can actually see the bell on the floor on the corner. Take your time. There is a massive grate that sometimes is broken down here, and it's usually right on this next corner to the left. So you have to look out for, very often there's a bright orange cone. There it is, broken grate. So the test centre is in front of us. We're going to actually go to the right, out of the way.